Dog Training here in Cincinnati, Ohio. Here I have our newest 21-day board and train. This is Max. Max is a 3-year-old German Shepherd that came to us because, well, he's a little bit nervous. He has a little bit of growling issues, a little bit of resource guarding, and a couple of issues just like that. He is a very sweet boy, just absolutely timid. So we're going to go ahead and see what he does and doesn't know, and then what he'll do for me, and then we'll go ahead and take it from there. Max, can you come? Can you come, buddy? Oh, good job. Max, can you sit? What if I had a fake treat? Max, can you sit? Nope, not with the fake treat. All right, what about a walk? You want to go for a walk?
No.
Oh, whoa, there's something there. There's something there. Yeah, kind of, very hesitant, but definitely want to hide behind me. That's fine. Max, can you sit? Not at all. What about a down? Can you surprise me with a down? Not at all. All right. So we can definitely see he's got something in there. He just likes to stay really nice and close, which I am not totally against. You can stay tuned for the remainder of this video to see his amazing transformation. And thank you so much for choosing Bulletproof. Say bye, Max. You gonna sniff the ground? Say
Hi, I'm Luke, and this is Jada, and we have Max here. Our trainer was Ivory, and our experience at Bulletproof was great. I love getting the daily updates with the photos of Max, and just overall, his commands have improved tremendously. So I'm really impressed.